Okay, you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now today we are going to see like I'm going to do that like we already have the application which is login and sign up, and one more thing is this one happy mood analyzer. Okay, this mood check one. So today we are going to see that one is health assessment. Health assessment. Okay.
Okay.
So for what we are going to do, we are going to create new activity. Okay. I- with XML also, if you are creating new activity, we need to obviously create new XML for the same activity. Okay, that is health assessment activity will be. Okay, in that activity what we are going to do, we are going to ask question to the uh, students, like one hour, like one each one question. How are you feeling today, like that. So whatever the questions you are preparing, we are going to ask to them, and we will ask them to write yes or no answers, or if yes or no answers, or any full length answers, or anything like drag and drop, dragging kind of thing. Okay, so we will see three kind of applications, like any in whatever we are having. Okay, I will close everything whatever I'm having here, right click, close it. Okay, so for that, first I need to create an activity here. Right click, content file, health health assessment activity, activity. Okay, health assessment activity. I just created activity. So activity means we need to add app compact we need to extend app compact activity. App compact activity. Okay, if it is app compact activity, we need to give on create. Okay, on create. Okay. Okay, so now I created activity. So remember, whenever we are creating a new activity, we need to add the activity to the manifest file, this file. Okay, so I'm adding here activity, not this one, which one, this one. Okay, this one. So now I added the activity in the manifest file. Now creation of activity process is done. So next we are going to create a layout for this particular activity. How we are going to do it? I'm going to click the layout. We need to create a layout file in the layout folder. Right click, new, layout resource folder. Okay, here also mostly for not confusing, so mostly which XML is related to which activity, we will confuse if you gave different name. So mostly we can give the same name like that. Health assessment ACTIVATV activity, right? Health assessment activity, I gave that, and okay. Now it is created. Okay, so we don't want this constraint layout. I'm just changing to linear layout. Okay, okay, good. So now uh, this way in this screen, what this screen will open from main screen. Okay, main screen means this mode check screen, that screen where the chat activity, not chat activity, this health assessment screen will open from the mode screen. Okay, so we have to have one button here in the bottom. When we click this one, we will move to this screen. Okay, so first we will add the button here. Okay, let's add the button. Card view. After card view, we will add one linear layout. Okay, linear layout, match parent, height is wrap content. Okay, so this orientation is horizontal. I'm going, because we will have few more buttons also, like we have two other features, like one is like chat one, another one is like resource. Okay, resource means just calling something, so we will have more, mainly three buttons in the bottom. So for that, orientation horizontal. Okay, so in the horizontal I'm going to use again the same card. Okay, wrap content. So inside card, what we are going to do is we will create one linear layout again, linear layout, wrap content. This linear layout is vertical because this is each item. I'm going to have one icon and one name. Okay, image view, image view, like I will give like 30 dp, 30 dp. Okay, so we need to add src. As for src, for now we can have any simple icon, any icon is fine. You can add any icon of yourself. Okay, you don't want to, I am just don't want to waste time, so I am adding some same smiley icons. Okay, same smiley icons, and I am going to add text view. So the text is health assessment. I will just give like, if we give health assessment it will be a big name, so I just give like HA. Okay, I just give like HA. So here I can align, not align, gravity center means it will be in center, gravity center. Okay, so we'll see here padding 20 dp. Okay, so this card will have the border. So if you see, card will have the corner, so I can show you. Okay, so this is the card, but card is not square. Okay, so we can make the card square also. Let's do that one. Like this one is like 100 dp and 100 dp. Okay, we don't want padding, we don't want padding. Why it is, I said center. mm, okay, gravity is center, but it's not in the center. Okay, this is also okay. 100 center, vertical, no. Okay, leave it, we will give padding itself then, 20 dp. Okay, now I am can do this linear layout. I am giving some padding like 20 dp, and this one like we can add corners, I said, right? So we can add radius, padding and corner. We don't want padding first of all for cards. We can add weight, and this is like why it is full, we don't want full. Instead of this we can give here. I think we need to remove this weight. Okay, yeah, good, now it is good. So you can see we have we can give like margin. If you give margin means it, the shadows will show you. We can see the shadows, so you can see the shadows for the card, right? If we give margin, this tool like this, we will have like 3 buttons. The same card we will have like mostly 3, because we have 3 other features in your application, right? So one is called, I'll change this to some other, okay, smiley. One is called health assessment, and another one is resource means we are having any help or something. Resource we can add directly resource. Okay, and same thing here, what is that? HA means we can give like chat. Okay, chat. Now, okay. So everything we can give weight now. Weight we can give now. One. Okay, just leave it like this. Okay, so what we have to give? We have to give ID now for this one. So this one is card. Card is the full. We are going to use the full card only, right? So we are going to give ID. So this ID is be like health assessment card. HA card. I will just give like HA card. Okay.
The screen share suddenly stopped just now.
Stops. Oh, okay. Um, Stops long back.
No.
Okay. I think the first class is done, right? So that's why. 950. Okay. Okay, fine. So now you can see me, right? See the screen.
Yes.
Okay. So now this one is like HA card. First card. First card is first. This one like it is for health assessment card. So I gave her HA ID. So next one is like ID. So this is like resource now. Resource card. We can give resource card. This is second one. Third one is like ID chat card. Okay, so we have a chat card. So these three things what we need to do, we need to add in the mood check activity, because we created these three item in the mood check activity. So we need to add this item in the mood check activity class here. If we go here, we need to add here in the IDs. We need to add like val HA card HA card is equal to find view by ID. So find view by ID here and all text view, know where which one we are going to give the ID. Actually here we gave card view only we gave IDs. So if you see card view HA card view, right? Card view only we need to give here in the square bracket card view. Okay, card view or dot ID dot HA card. Okay, now same thing for resource card and chat. Okay, here resource card chat card. Okay, so now it is good. Now we have everything. So what we are going to do is we are going to add a click action for this every card, each card. Okay, so not each card. Today we are going to see only this HA card. Okay, HA card, we'll see HA card dot set on click listener. Okay, so inside here we are going to add the intent. Intent is equal to intent this dot health assessment activity we need to give this class dot java. Okay, now start activity intent. Okay, now it will automatically take you when we are clicking this HA card, it will automatically take you to this screen. Okay, this screen means this main assessment screen. Okay, so in this screen what we are going to do, we are going to do few things. Okay, first one, we are going to add the back button, because we will go to this from this screen to this screen we will come, but we need to go back also, right? So first we will add the back button. Drop content. Okay, src id back button. Okay, So image we can add, like I can add we can add, I don't have any back image, right? So we can add like new vector assets. We can click here, back, so we can add this arrow. Okay, back, next, finish. So here I can give like back button. So you can see here back button is added. So let's say padding 20 dp. Okay, now the back button is here. So you can give like width like 40 dp. It will be like this. Okay, so after the back button, what we are going to do, we are going to give the name of the screen. It's like health assessment, right? So text view, match parent will give width will be, which we can give match parent. Height we can give wrap content. Text is that screen title. What is the screen orientation? We need to give orientation vertical. Okay, so screen title means what is the screen about, that one we are going to give, that is health health assessment. Okay, so we can increase the size of the text size will be, I am giving like 32 sp. Text alignment center. Okay, I can give more than that, like 38, 40, 48. Okay, this is good. I think 48 is very big, maybe. We can give 30. Okay, then if we want padding start 20 dp, padding end 20 dp. Okay, okay, now we have a screen and screen title. Okay, we can add it like style, text style bold. Okay, now it is good. Now we have a back button, this one back button we gave id, this id we will give title text. Okay, now next,
Okay.
yeah, according followed by that, what we are going to create is, I'm going to add one like scroll view. Okay, because we will have many how to say, many questions. So if we have scroll view, it will be little easy. Scroll view means we will use the scroll view for scroll, we can scroll the screen. Okay, it will be like, if you have for now, if you design the screen with this one, it will be, you come to the your screen size only, whatever the item you are adding after the screen size, you can't see it, or you can't do it, nothing. If you add the scroll view, you can scroll it and see it. Okay, so that is the good purpose. So let's see, let's add scroll view. This width should be match parent. Okay, okay, so here we are going to give linear layout, match parent. Wrap content. Okay, here orientation vertical, I think we can give here match parent. Okay, good. This wrap content. Okay, in this linear layout we are going to add again. Okay, again what I am going to add is, it's like we are going to give one question, one answer box, like that. Okay, it's like, first I am going to add text view, match parent with this wrap content text. So I will give like, what's your what's on your mind. Okay, what's on your mind, and I'll give like text size. Size is like I'm giving like 18 sp. Okay, 18 sp. And style will be not this style, that style. Style will be like bold. Okay, so next one, so I ask this one question. Okay, so I just give like id question 1. I'm giving the id like question 1. Okay, so next I'm going to give add. So for this question they can add like in the text box, right? So I'm going to add the text. mm, edit text, edit text, match parent, wrap content. Okay, so here I'm going to give the hint. We can give the hint if you want, you can give the hint. If you don't want, you don't want to give the hint. Okay, that is up to you, that is approximate, but I'm just giving the hint like same question, same question. So you can, people can see here they want to write the answer here, or we can give like answer, that will be good. Answer. Okay, so like single line we have a lot of options like multi-line lines. Okay, lines we have max lines, minimum line, like that we can give line height, extra space. Okay, we can give max line like 5. mm. Then I think that is enough. This is one question. Okay, if I'm going to ask second question. Okay, second question, next question, I'm just copy the same one. Let's see, here we need to give id. Okay, answer 1. Okay, so I'm just copied and paste the same thing, and I'm going to change this to 2. Okay, and I need some little space between the answer and this one, and I need little space between this top one and this one. So what I'm going to give, I'm giving top, margin top 10 dp. Okay, same margin top I'm giving here 10 dp. So I will have this one, and for answers I'm going to copy and paste the, we can give like, okay, uh, you had a great day, we'll ask this one. Okay, you had a great day, we'll ask. And here we can give like radio button. So there is a option called something called radio button in Android. Okay, radio button and radio button group. Okay, which this button is like you can select. Okay, I can give like radio button group and match parent, wrap content. Okay, so inside radio button group we can give the radio buttons. Okay, like this. So I'm just I'll just erase this one. So inside radio button group we need to give the radio button. Radio button. Okay, radio button, wrap content, wrap content. So if you see one button already, it's formed already, so we need to give that, we can give the text like yes. Okay, text size is like 14 sp. Okay, 14 is very small, means we can give like 16. Okay, so if you see here, it is question, we ask the question, and one more radio button we can add, this one. So this one should be no. Okay, radio button orientation we can change it. Why it is coming like bottom, orientation horizontal. Okay, yeah, I gave the orientation horizontal, it is coming like this, yes or no. Okay, so people will
Okay.
see this one, you had a great day, they can check anyone. If it is yes, they will check. No, they can check no. Okay, so this is one of the method you can ask question. So I am giving you how to ask question and answer. Okay, so here means you need to give options like here id, id like yes radio button. Okay, what happened, why it is showing error? id yes button. Okay, So here I am giving no button. Okay, I gave no button. Here in the radio group also I can give like id um, grade day radio group. Okay, grade day radio group. So this is one of the method we can give. Okay, so like this. Now what I am going to do is, now I will show you for this question, like we will do this one in here. Okay, now in the activity I am going to give set content view or dot layout. So this one only you missed in the sign up activity. So whenever you are creating activity, you need to do this first. After this only other will work. Okay, here I am going to
Okay.
give health assessment activity. This is good. Now I will take one I will take one element from the UI, like, well, back button is very important, right? Back button is equal to find view by id, that is the image view. Okay, image view r dot id dot back button. Okay, now another one is, well, next item I am going to take is title text. We don't want, so I am not taking the title text. Next one we want is question one, not question one, answer one. Answer one we need is equal to find view by id edit text answer one. Okay, answer one. Okay, so next one is answer two. Answer 2 is not a edit text, so it is like a answer 2 is a radio button, radio group. Okay, radio group, not radio button, radio group. Okay, so that is grade day radio group. So whenever we are giving, so this one click button, it is not finish. Back button, when we are pressing the black button, it is not finish, we need to go back. Okay, so I will tell you how to add the back process in that one. Okay, so now here we didn't give anything, right? So submit button, so we need to give the button finally at the last. Button, wrap content, here margin top 10 dp. Okay, so here text is like submit, that's it. Gravity center. Okay, I think we can give the width as with match parent. Okay, we can change the color too based on something, what color we gave in the login, same color, black. Okay, we can give the black here, tint black. Okay, now it is good. So for this we need to give one id submit underscore button. Okay, submit button. So I am going to take the submit button also here. Well, submit button. Okay, so we need to add submit button click first. Submit button dot set on click listener. So we are, this process will be different. We will do it later. Okay, so now what I will show you, like how to add this one, right? We can verify this one by toast. Okay, so first we will create a value. Okay, so this is answer 1 and answer 2. Answer 2 we can't take this one. Okay, answer 2 is a radio button. For taking the radio button, that one we need to select check radio button id. Okay, so we need to take check radio button id dot not minus. We will do this one when, when is like kind of switch case. Okay, so when means we can use the when to, okay, yes or no. So this will be like this ID. So answer, this is radio group, okay, radio group, and we are taking checked radio button ID, means which radio button is selected, we are going to take the ID of that button. So yes button or no button, it will come as a ID. Then we are finding if it is, if the button is selected, this ID is selected, we are going to, I am going to add the answer to text is equal to dummy empty. I am going to add empty. Okay, and empty means like a dummy. So in this one is like yes, yes, okay, no, okay, yes, no. Now we can toast is like we val toast text is equal to like the answer one is no, we will give like your okay, answer one is okay, yeah, answer one is this one, answer text I am giving, and the answer two is this one. Okay, now I am going to add the toast. Toast, okay, so in the toast first one is this, here test. Okay, okay, now it is good. Okay, cool, 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 cool. When you click the submit button, we will get the toast like answer one is this, answer two is this. Okay, then back button. Okay, back button we need to see now. Once again, will be here. Okay, so this back button, right? So back button, usually previously we have on back press this one. So now this function is disabled, it's like dispatched. Dispatch means we can't use that function, so instead of that we have this one. Okay, back press dispatcher dot on back press. Okay, so now whenever I am clicking this back button, it will go to main activity. Okay, so we can give like margin 10 dp. Okay, margin 10 dp maybe. Okay, it's good. So let's run the application, I will show you, we can see it. Okay, Okay, so application is run. Okay.
Yeah.
So usually we simply we give means it will give error. We need to give something. Okay. Charles gmail.com here Charles. Okay, by my password like I'm giving like Charles. So when I click login, it is going here. So now today my mood is like very happy. So I am clicking very happy. You are happy. Okay, you are very happy. Okay, so we click. We don't have anything for this two resource and chat. Okay, now we have only for this HA. When I am clicking this HA, it is going to health assessment screen. You can see that.
Yes.
Okay, health assessment. Here back button. First we added the back button, right? We click the back button, it will go back. So this is working good. So I am going inside again. So first answer. Okay, how was your mind? Great. I'm just giving one line, so you can add like multiple lines, like 5 lines. We can add like max line 5 lines, anything. Okay. So that is up to you. Based on your question, you have to decide. You can have that or not. Okay. Now I am having great. So here you had a great day. Yes, I just give. Oh yes, I am giving. I have a great day. Okay. Now I am click submit. So you see the answer one is great and the answer two is yes. So if I click the no, it will give answer one is great, answer two is no. Okay. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. So what you need to do, you need to write multiple questions. You have to create many questions, and you can give text box, or you can give this one, or you can give like drop down or something spinner or something we have seen in the first other videos. You can add that one also, anything. But let's just create like for 5 to 10 questions. 5 to create one 5 to 10 questions. Okay.
Okay.
10 questions, and for click option we need to save somewhere. We will see that one later, what we can do, what we really need to do. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Austin. Okay, you have any doubts in this class or today's one?
No.
You are good.
Yes.